Hi guys, welcome. This is the ISO where you install Fvwm3. As you see, it's not really a tiling window manager per se, but it is a window manager, and we'll have a look together where are its configurations. We do see already that we have polybar up here, and you know where you can find it, the .config/polybar. You'll have a list of modules you can change around, and we have a conky here to the right, Super C, Super C, Super C, Super C is there and it's gone. Ctrl-Alt page down, next one, Ctrl-Alt page up, another one, Ctrl-Alt page up, now this one, and so on. Super C, gone. The other thing that's a bit strange is this guy, which is actually on the desktop. I mean, it's not floating or anything, it really is stuck there. And the main and the code and the play, and the main and the code and the play has something to do with it. The thing is, this window manager has 9 screens on main, 9 screens on code, and 9 monitors, so to speak, virtual desktops on play. 9 times 3, and I could have made more. So 27 is more than enough, and it really is up to you. Say, I'm gonna open this here, and then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna launch Firefox there, and I'm gonna over here and I'm gonna open this one up here, and they're all there. Okay, now before we start, and just an overview of what we see. Before we start, we go to the wiki. Well, first of all, ArcoLinux.com. Haha, yes, this is our wiki, and for all the desktops that we have articles, we have videos. So all the desktops in this case is 25, 26, depends if you count Dusk with it, which is a fork of DWM. And we do not have yet a video about this one, and it has been developed already quite some time, so I have to revisit it again and think, what did we do months ago? So best thing for me is wake up my memory and say arch wiki Fvwm3, and there is a 2, there's a 3, that's true. ICCCM compliant multiple virtual desktop window manager for the X window. Okay, that links, everything, everybody dead. And then we have how do we install it. We went for the latest version rather than number 2, so Fvwm3, and we read through all these things, tested out all the themes that we like and we love, and some of them are in here, not all of them. The following configuration file locations are supported, so you have some flexibility basically. And here we have the number 2, right, but we wanted to go for number 3. Latest config, latest maybe this one. Let's see, 21 years ago. What is this? That's the one, right? That's the one you need. Number 3, 5 months ago, 10 days ago. All right, still pushing commits, so we are still getting AOR packages updates in fixed center position placement, double this parser. Fine, cool. So there is still development. It pays to learn a little bit more. Now, if you want to know what we did, you go to this one. Voila, we have the Git version. This is our stuff, that's the application, and that's the configuration, but it's not used. So this is what we did. We put in the .config a folder. We've put in the folder Fvwm also a config. And here are some images in there. That's it. So we can always go back and have a look. So Super Shift Enter is already here, actually, it's still open. We have one here. Yep. And we have information here. And in here, nothing to be found. No, not true. This one. So we have two folders to take a look at. For this one and this one. Let's start with the top here. In here we have, let's start maybe with the menu. Left mouse click, left, right. This is more or less their choice. We did add this, I think, that's our choice to put this in at the top to restart everything. If we start changing settings, then we want to immediately see, is it working? Restart, right mouse click, up, click, done. Now, the XDG menu, if we open that up, so moving around, you see, moving around is just clicking, making this longer, is dragging, voila. And now we take a look. Destroy menu XDG, so this guy, yeah, that's the guy. Accessories, development, graphics, multimedia, network, office, settings, system. That's all that. And that keeps on going. Accessories, the development, the graphics, multimedia, network, office, settings, system. Check, right? Okay. So that's the XDG menu. Now, can we drag this to there? No. That's unfortunate, right? It would be nice to have this here. So I'm gonna close this here, open up here, Thunar. Oh, just missed it by an inch. I'm not a menu kind of guy. Super Shift Enter, right? Super Shift Enter. I've got it twice now. So that's this one. Check. Nothing changed. This one is a bit long to tell. Yeah, see how long it is. Let's keep that one for last. Here we have some themes. Ambiance dark. Not sure if you can see anything. Not really. You'll have to test it, because all it is some buttons that change. So we've chosen for these buttons, and if it's not active, it's not red. You see the icons at the top switch. So that's choices, magic, and so on. We can test it out later. And the images that these guys require as well. Background images, some nice background images actually. Icons. We've added our own icons to the list, our own launchers. This is coming from Sardi icons. Sardi Ghost is all white, and some more things, buttons and all that. So this is design, themes and images. That's design. This is the major thing, config, and it's a long thing. Functions, styles, color sets, menus, bindings, decor, modules, pager, and launcher. It is already quite in the past. Reading all this, I think, oh my god, what was all that? So you need to read up on the wiki. But basically, any desktop, all you need to do is read. So here is an empty file that probably gonna need it for later. Just keep it around. The conky, when you boot up, you have a conky. Whoa. And that's also there and gone. Super C, it's gone. The sexy hotkey daemon for your keyboard bindings, Super F5. I have installed it, Melt is there already. All the rest will not work until you install it. Super F8 tuner is already installed, it's gonna work. And so on. Scripts, toggle on and off. That's the toggle. Super C conky toggle, that's something else. There is also toggle pause, another toggle, oh my god, here he is, Ctrl Alt O, pointing to .config script Python toggle, great, has to work, Ctrl Alt T, Ctrl Alt O, Ctrl Alt O, Ctrl Alt O, Ctrl Alt O. So these toggles are in every of our desktops. So sometimes you don't want transparency, sometimes you just give me something solid as background. Okay. I guess we're up to the next one, right? The real big configuration is this one. All the rest can go. And let's make this bigger. So think, well, here it is, right? There's more information online, but everything is a bit structured in the sense that every number, every chapter, so to speak, has a number and it goes till, well, a few lines, right? A few lines, around 900 lines. So, first of all, they declare all kinds of things, variables, so we don't need to use it later, or we don't need to type it full out, but we set an environment, say this thing equals that thing. That's the home. So in my case, /home/Eric /.vfwm is the home. Where are the images in the home? Where are the themes in there, and so on. So we get a pathway, basically. We got a name where everything can be found. Okay, same for the images and all that. So, and we define here the terminal. For instance, this would be something you could change, right? Alacrity or GNOME terminal, or there are like 20 terminals on Linux. So choose one. Music players and so on. We only set this icon, so choose the icons for the windows, this thing. You can actually just put an hashtag there and it's gone. Well, it will become circles, so this and then that, and it will become circles, but I'm afraid to do a Super Shift R because of my simple screen recorder. So I'll do that maybe later, another video. And here we start with the first thing, the functions. Can use custom functions for various tasks. The syntax for defining a function, named function name is, and this was, yeah, getting used to, basically getting to find what do I want as well. What first you destroy everything, then you add things, and then you have the pager. Now, is this the, like I said, it's really is coming, it needs to come back, all this. Whoa, okay, we're back. Sorry, oh yeah, restart, that's why you're doing it. Oh yeah, okay. Whew. Simple screen recorder is still being used there. I'm looking for the pager, so I guess that's this one, module pager 02. Volume, we're gonna kill the volume icon. So when we start everything, we're gonna kill the volume icon, kill the variety, execute the polybar launch. We're gonna get a wallpaper. It's a lot of stuff, right? We need to do a lot of stuff here. Conky comes in, network applet is up here, going there. PAMAC tray is there, power manager, numlock on, blueberry tray, PyCom. Oh yeah, sure. So this is with our configuration, and you can use the default configuration if you use this line 123 rather than 122. Polkit is for your tweak tool, for example. Tin2, we did not go that way, so we used the Pilly bar instead of Tin2 from OpenBox, but hell, why not? Huh? Need to change some things then, but okay. Just giving you an idea, maybe. Volume icon, the menu maker is there, and then sleep to variety and blah. We've got variety. Variety is not installed. Yeah, it was installed, was it not? Maybe with a reload. It has been. Yep, there it is. And then a lot of other things destroying, and have to figure out again what was this, what was that. I mean, I should make my videos after developing everything, because otherwise you don't really know, remember again what did we do there, right? Then the styles has both virtual desktops and pages. Each desktop is built from a grid of pages. Great that we have some text. So that's about this, desktop and pages. Voila. So main code and play, main code and play. I can make 4x4 or 6x6 or 1x4. I had to make a choice, right? So voila, 3x3. Edge scroll, edge resistance is there. The font, actually quite small. Normally we take 10, I believe. 9. But okay. It's alright. All styles. I really find myself feeling noob again. These were all the color sets we have, the default keys, default window colors, but also the menus and the modules, inactive windows, active windows, and every number gets a color, a combination of foreground, background, high. What would that be? An SH and plain and no shape, sometimes with and sometimes without plain. No, plain is always there. Plain is always there. Yep. So some differences in color sets. The menu, font 9. So this is the root menu, that's the title. Add to the menu, the title, and then it keeps on going. Programs, images, icons, programs. So that's this little thing up here. PNG, icons. That's this. Then we need a terminal somewhere. So program, yes. Images, terminal. Ah yeah, okay, sorry, hashtag in front of it, so I'm not using this. Refresh, restart and quit. Refresh, restart and quit. And these guys are not used. All right. Whew. Generate the XDG menu. Then we read it. Programs menu. In here we have pager. Personally, I would remove it again, but okay, that's 6 months later maybe. Of course, everything changes over time. Your preferences will change. Your knowledge will change. Themes, icons, you'll change. And that's the thing we've changed, right? Restart. We've added restart to the top and all the rest. think we kind of left it the way it is. So stick shade, all these things. So every of these guys send to all kind of things. You can change, send certain things to somewhere. We did not implement the man pages, so that's out. And then the mouse and the key bindings, the root window, application window, frame corners, frame sides, idle bar, icon, mouse and key bindings. If you read it like this, it is really wow, right? Chinese, we would say in Belgium. This is Chinese. You still, it's gone, right? Alt F1 or menu to load the root menu. Okay, Alt F1. Fine. So that's the menu for Fvwm. So right mouse click, sorry, left mouse click is the same thing as the key binding here. So we really need to test everything out again. Alt tab. Okay, that's that. Where am I now? Kill it. Okay, and it goes on, right? Title bar, window decoration, button styles, but I believe they're all hashtagged out. Just not this one. The modules did not use scripts, it seems, or did we? Destroy can be used to get various info about the window. Okay. There's the pager. I must say it's not coming back. It's all gone. I have to learn it all over again. It will teach me. The key bindings are set. Control, Shift, Super key, any key. .900 lines. If I know 100 what they do, that's would be great. So yeah, sorry guys, but the knowledge is not there anymore since I've developed everything. It's gone again. I can learn it all over again. What is this doing? But it is really is something programmable. I mean, every little bit that you see and touch can be changed, can be there's a logic and there is structure into the config, which makes it interesting to have a look at it. But it is, it's something different. It's not the general normal, what is normal, right? It's its own window manager, and you can do a lot with it, and it's entirely, guys, sorry, up to you to figure out all the rest that I have not told you. All right, enjoy. Cheers.